Hey guys, today we're unboxing this nice little package. This should contain 30 solar cells, not a complete panel, just 30 solar cells, along with some other things in order to complete a full panel. This includes some bus bars and a pen, a soldering pen. So let's see. So here's the box, nothing else in the bag. It did get hit here on the side, otherwise seems okay on the outside. Let's see. Wow, here's the soldering pen. This helps when you actually create. This is the tabbing wire and the bus bar wire. The tab wire you use to connect the different cells together, and the bus bars are at the end. Okay, let's see. And here are some cells. Wow, nothing else, very well packed. Let's see. I have to be very careful. Let's see what it says. 156 by 156 millimeters, 5 watts, thickness 180 micrometers, yes, 30 pieces. Let's see. Have to be very careful, because if this is 30 pieces, then they're very thin. The cells are monocrystal. Okay, so we take, wow, very nice. Those are very pretty and very extremely thin. Here it is. So you take the tabbing wire and you solder on the top and on the bottom, like top to bottom. This is how you connect, and then you connect the different series of solar cells with the bus bar wire. This is this one, no, not this one, yes, this one, the thick one. Very nice. Okay, I guess that's it. Thank you very much for your time, guys. Bye.